Hello everybody. I have the receiver for the Cetme C ready for weld. I can tell you the flats I got from that company are something. This hole right here is off location. You got to have that hole in there for this pin. This is your barrel pin that pins your barrel to the trunnion. But that's okay. I'll use it to the elongated hole. I'll just do a little spot weld right there. You can see I got all my holes in for weld. Get a little smaller hole back here, but the rest of it, you can see the holes are in, and there's some on top as well that I can show you there. Okay, and that's for your caulking tube. That has to be adjusted at weld. And then I made a pin for the magazine release paddle. It's working, but it's kind of loose right now. It just fell out. That pin has to be welded in. I cut the little tabs off. I got to weld the shelf on, and the rear sight. This has to be adjusted clockwise, counterclockwise, the barrel, and line up with the rear sight. So I'll probably tack it here and over there just to make sure I get it lined up. And then the caulking tube, that has to line up this way so that it's just off of the bolt carrier when the bolt is closed. And you also want to make sure that your pin hole, I got it kind of backwards here. Hold on a second. There's a hole right there in the caulking tube, and that's so you can drive the pin out for the lever here if you need to remove the lever. And you want to make sure that that hole on the other side is clear of the barrel so you can drive the pin out. Sorry folks, my pin fell out of my paddle here. That's no big deal. That's getting welded in. So yeah, just ready to go to the welder. And I got to figure out how to mount that shelf. That's the only other thing I'm kind of concerned about right now. Sorry about it there, I'm doing it on my phone.